Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing a review of one of my favorites because of its specs and colors. Actually, I have all the red Ferraris in my collection. As you have noticed, quite many red Ferraris are lying in my collection, as you can see in the behind as well, and over here as well at the back. But this one is yellow and really love it. And now I think that I should have got some yellows as well in my collection rather than all the reds, because this yellow is really a beautiful model and it comes out really nice. I have two more yellows, yeah, two or three, yeah. One is SF90, and then after buying these I was a little keen of buying yellow as well, so it was a good collection of yellow, 3 or 4 models. But I regret in more models as well, but done is done. But this one is really a good model from BBR, a limited edition F8 Tributo. I've done a review of this model before as well, but today I was thinking for this model to do to re-review it for you guys, as I really love it and you're going to love it as well. And the specs are amazing on this model. So let's see the model and talk about its specs. So here it is, Ferrari F8 Tributo. As you can see, it's in yellow color, an amazing color, and the specs are amazing, which we'll discuss in a while. But before we move further, I want to discuss, because it's from BBR and it's covered with a glass cover, and the base, we'll talk about that. It's very necessity which comes with it, and it protects it from the dust and everything, because they are very expensive models. So it's quite good to have these kind of protective glass covers. If you don't have it, I mean, you can make it as well. I've made few for my models, but yeah, but this is movable, so it's an airtight, so dust cannot go in at all. So then the base comes, I mean, it's a very well presentation. I mean, you can see the model itself is coming out really good with the red base and yellow stitching on the sides. It's a leatherite material with the embossed BBR logo, and then we have a Ferrari F8 Tributo badge over here and the Ferrari badge over here as well. And then the plate for the limited edition is a 23 number out of 28, so it's a very limited edition model. So I was searching for the model, I mean, just before reviewing this, and I couldn't find a yellow color. The yellow color F8 Tributo was not available. Red was available, other colors were available, but yellow was not available on eBay. I was looking on eBay, so that is the easiest platform to find the models. So it was not available. But anyways, talking about this model, I mean, it's from BBR, as I said before, and it's in very high quality but very delicate material. So you have to be very careful with it while you are cleaning the model or inspecting it or anything. I mean, if the the glass cover is not on top, then it has to be protected very well, or otherwise it can be damaged easily. So be careful with that. And talking about the models, I mean, starting from the lights, they come with very good quality light. The material is quite good and well aligned with the body structure and the curves as well. I mean, you can see they are amazing in the front splitter with the carbon fiber effect all over is quite amazing. Even the side skirts as well, I mean, the side skills, they are in all carbon fiber, so it's amazing. Even the badge over here in the Ferrari badge is very well made. I mean, BBR is improving its quality day by day, and they have made a very good badge with silver chrome, which normally does not come. And then we have a scoop as well over here, which is covered with carbon fiber effect in it. It's for the airflow. I mean, you can see the opening over here, just like the Ferrari Pista, but this is a bit small. It has a big one. So, and then huge openings on this both sides for the air, probably for the cooling of the wheels, the discs, which is very important in these kind of fast cars. And then we have a small openings over here as well for the air. Even on the top of the light, we have the openings as well. I mean, the grill, I mean, it's probably for the air or something like that. The wipers, they have improved a lot. I mean, the quality of the wiper is quite amazing, but the glass is same as the paper glass, paper material, plastic, which is quite delicate. I mean, it can easily be pressed, so be careful if you have this model and you are not familiar with it. So yeah. So talking about the wheels, I mean, they are amazing. I really love these star wheels. They are really amazing in the grayish, dark gray kind of thing color with the red calipers. I mean, it's a very good spec with the red caliper and yellow color. You can see the model is coming out really nice. It's an amazing spec, and followed by the Ferrari badge. Again, it's covered with a chrome badge. They have really improved BBR in the Ferrari badge quality, which is quite amazing, and it's equivalent to the body, just like the original car. It's placed inside, so you cannot feel it. I mean, it's really amazing. And then the side mirrors are in yellow color. So yeah, the side door glass are same as the paper glass, so just like the windscreen. So again, don't push it like here over here, it's quite dangerous. Then the side skirts over here, I mean, a little bit of is carbon fiber effect, as you can see, and then there is no side skirts over here. Then we have a huge wing over here coming out, as it's a wide body from the back, so giving a good aerodynamics. And then we have a scoop over here for the air to go. I mean, behind this is normally the radiators for the engine, because it's a mid-engine car, so the radiators are placed over here, as I mentioned in earlier videos as well, in the real car. So it is for giving air to the radiator as well as the wheels as well, the discs, to keep them cool enough. Really love the wheels, man. They are amazing. This model is really outstanding. And yeah, so talking about the back, it's the same aggressive back as the front. The qualities of tail lights are really amazing, well replicated. I mean, they show really good details in it, the lights. And then the diffuser is all carbon fiber effect, and a huge diffuser with 2 exhaust tips, giving a platinum kind of effect in it. Not platinum, I mean titanium. Yeah. So mind me. And then the number plate as well in the center, F8 Tributo. And then we have the grill over here for the opening to air to flow out. And then the spoiler with a back light. I mean, they have do that quite new improvement. This is though a solid glass because of the openings over here for the vents, the fins in the glass, which in the previous model, I mean 488, were not available, but in this they gave a fins, 3 fins, bringing the old classic look in it, as Ferrari used to have in several of models like F80 and F40, then F50, so on. But in Enzo they didn't made it, and from there till this model, I mean, they were not available. The fins, the openings, these are to keep it good, and it gives a traditional look of Ferrari, the old look. And the quality is quite good, the glass quality is quite good on this model at the back. And then we have side grills over here, so that's amazing. So overall this model is really amazing, and the specs on it. Talking about the interior, I'll show you a little bit. I mean, it's quite difficult because it's a sealed model. So on the dashboard, I mean, over here you can see all the carbon fiber effect. Sorry, my thumb was there. This area over here is all carbon fiber effect, and then it comes with black and yellow stripes and yellow stitching in it, as you can see on the dashboard and even on the seats as well in the center yellow stripe. So it's really amazing. I can't see the seat belts in it, so what color the seat belts are, but the interior is quite amazing. I mean, I can't show you properly, but it's really an attractive interior. Maybe we can see the from here, yeah, a little bit. There you are. The interior is quite amazing. I mean, the gadgets and everything are well made and well recognizable in this mini model. So yeah, and comes with the bucket seats with the Alcantara and carbon fiber all mixed up, giving a really good look. I mean, I can see the side door panels, you can see over there. The gray stuff is giving an Alcantara effect over there, which is quite amazing in it. And rest is all leather and carbon fiber on the dashboard, steering. Very good model. So yeah guys, I really wanted to share this model again with you guys. So yeah, I forgot about the engine. We talked about the cover, but we never talked about the main engine in it. The main engine over here, you can see it's all giving a carbon fiber effect, and the engine is in red color as always, Ferrari, the main block, and quite many carbon fiber effect over here as well, and over here just where the oil cap is, I mean on the plates over there, it's all carbon fiber effect. So it's a very amazing and well presented model they made, and I am very happy that I had this model in my collection, and it's a really amazing model to have. The color especially and the specs are really amazing. I'm lucky enough to have this color. All reds, I mean you can see, I mean I have all reds, even over there as well, all red color. This shelf, these are all Ferrari shelves which I'm showing you. Only few are in different color, countable 4 or 5, but rest are all in red color. So this is something really good. So yeah guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Really means a lot to me, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.